Dear learners, today we are going to discuss how to find first and follow. First and follow functions helps in construction of both top-down and bottom-up passes. Now we'll see an example and find how to find this first and follow. Remember these three rules for calculating first. The first condition is first of x. When you find first of x, if first of x is a terminal, if it is a terminal, then add that terminal itself. Suppose if first of x is small y, if it is a terminal, then add that y. If first of x is an epsilon, then add epsilon in first of that x. If first of x is a non-terminal, for example capital Y, then find out first of that y. Suppose assume that first of y is small d, then add that particular small d. Now consider this example, consider this grammar. Now we'll see how to calculate this first and follow for this particular grammar. So the grammar says S gives capital B small b or capital C small d. Capital B gives small a capital B or epsilon, and C gives small c capital C or epsilon. So now we are going to find the first for capital S. So for capital S we are going to find the first function. So first of S is capital B. First of S is capital B, and that is a non-terminal. So since this is a non-terminal, so now we have to find the first of that capital B. So first of B is small a. First of B is small a. So I am adding a. And also first of B is epsilon. First of B is epsilon. So when I apply epsilon, then in that case first of B is small b. And when you come to this particular production, so S gives capital C. So in this first of S is capital C, and first of capital C is small c. So we are adding this small c. And then first of capital C is epsilon as well. So when I substitute epsilon, okay, so in that case the C get cancelled, and first of S is D as well. And now this first of C is epsilon also, so we have to add first of B as well as first of C is epsilon as well. So we are adding epsilon. Now we'll find first of capital B. So first of B is A. So simply it's a terminal, so simply you can add A. Similarly first of B is epsilon, so you add epsilon. Okay, so that's why we have add first of B is A comma epsilon, that has been added. And similarly now we are going to find first of C. So first of C is small c comma epsilon. So this is what is added here, because first of S is capital B. So if it is capital B, we have to find first of B that has been added. Similarly, in this case it is first of C, so we have added this. When I substitute epsilon, then this D as well as this D will also get included. And now we'll find out follow for capital S. So while follow for capital S, remember these three rules. If terminal if the follow of X is terminal, then add that terminal. If the follow of X is a non-terminal, then follow is equal to first of that non-terminal, and follow after that particular if there is no symbol, in that case follow is equal to follow of LHS. So these three rules you remember. So now we'll find out follow of yes. So we have to check on the right hand side, is there any non-terminal yes? There is no non-terminal yes, and that is the starting symbol, so add $. Now we are going to find follow for capital B. So now we have to find out wherever this B is available. So here B is here. So what is follow of B? Follow of B is small b. So we'll add small b here. And here actually we have B here. So since there is no symbol after this B, okay, so that is equal to follow of this LHS. What is follow of LHS? Follow of B itself. So follow of B is B, so only B will be there in follow of B. Similarly, we have to find follow of C. So follow of C is, so we have to check for C. Okay, so here we have one capital C, as well as here also we have C. So in this case follow of C is D, so you add D. Okay, and here this one follow of capital C is follow of capital C itself, because after that there is no symbol, so we are adding C, D alone. So this is how you have to calculate the first and follow. I hope you might have understood how to find out first and follow. We will discuss another example so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now consider this example. Capital S gives capital A, B, C, D and D. Capital A gives small a epsilon, capital B gives small b or epsilon, and capital C gives C, capital D gives D or epsilon, and capital E gives small e or epsilon. Okay, so this is epsilon actually. So, okay, capital E gives small e or epsilon. Now we'll find out the first and follow for yes. So when we wanted to find the first of yes, okay, what is first of yes? First of yes is capital A. So we have to, so first of yes we have to find out. So first of yes is equal to first of A. So what is first of A? First of A is small a, so we are adding small a. And then first of A is epsilon, so when you substitute epsilon here, so this will get vanished. So now first of S becomes capital B. So now we have to calculate first of B, because first of S becomes first of B. So what is first of B? First of B is small b, so you add B here. It's a terminal, okay, so straight away you can add it. And now, okay, so also we have epsilon, so here when you apply epsilon, this will be vanished. So now first of S is capital C, and so we have to find out first of C. So we have to find out first of capital C. First of capital C is small c, so now you add small c and stop here. And now we will find out first of A. So first of A, very simple because it is terminal, so straight away you can add A, and also first of A is epsilon, you add epsilon here. Okay, so similarly for B, it is B comma epsilon, and for C it is only C, and for D it is D comma epsilon, and for E again it is small e comma epsilon. Okay, so now we have calculated the first function for all the non-terminals. Now we have to find out the follow function. So when you wanted to find follow, so we have to check, is there any non-terminal called x on the right hand side. So there is no non-terminal, and that is the starting symbol, so you just add $. And now we have to find out first of A. So on this right hand side we have this. Okay, so I'll use another color too. So here we are going to see, so on right hand side we have A. So what is follow of A? Follow of A is follow of B, right? Follow of A is B. Okay, so follow of A is, okay, so now we have to find out follow of A. So follow of A is a non-terminal, okay, that is B. So in that case you have to find first of B. Okay, in that case you have to find first of B. So what is first of B? First of B is B itself. Okay, first of B is B, and also here actually we have epsilon as well. So when you apply epsilon, now follow of A becomes C. Okay, follow of A becomes C, and follow of, so C is again a terminal, so you have to find out first of C. So what is first of C? First of C is C. Okay, so you can stop here because there is no epsilon in C. Okay, so follow of A is B comma C. Now you have to find out follow of B. So when you see follow of B, C is the follow of. Okay, so what is follow of C? Follow of B. So follow of B is equal to first of C, because C is a non-terminal, right? C is a non-terminal, so you have to find out first of C. So first of C is small c. Okay, first of C is small c, so you can stop here. And now you have to find out follow of D. Okay, so follow of D is E. So now, okay, follow of C we have to find out, right? So we have to find out follow of C. Follow of C is D, it's a non-terminal, so you have to find out first of D. Okay, you have to find out first of D. So what is first of D? First of D is D comma epsilon. So normally we don't add epsilon, okay, but actually here we have epsilon. When you substitute epsilon here, okay, when you substitute epsilon, okay, so here actually it gets vanished. So now follow of C, okay, follow of C becomes follow of E. Okay, so E is a non-terminal. Okay, E is a non-terminal. So because E is a non-terminal, what you have to do, you have to find out first of that E, right? You have to find out first of E, and first of E is small e. Okay, first of E is small e, so you add small e. So when I apply, okay, and also for E we have E as well as epsilon. Okay, E as well as epsilon. And so since after E, okay, so now this vanish. Okay, so here it is capital E. There is no symbol after that. Since there is no symbol after that, okay, so follow of that particular C is equal to follow of left hand side. What is follow of left hand side? Follow of left hand side is actually yes. Okay, so you have to find out follow of yes. What is follow of yes? Follow of yes is dollar symbol. so you add dollar symbol here. Okay, now you have to find out the follow for D. Okay, so here we have D. What is follow for D is capital E, so there is no symbol after that. Okay, so you have to check here as well. So since this is a non-terminal, okay, so follow of D. Okay, so since this is a non-terminal, you have to find first of that capital E. First of that capital E is small e, and also we have epsilon symbol. So when you apply epsilon, okay, so after this actually there is no variable, so no symbol. In that case itself automatically you have to take the follow of left hand side. Follow of left hand side is follow of capital S. Follow of capital S is dollar again. Okay, and now we have to calculate follow for capital E. So follow for capital E is, again there is no variable after this, so that is equal to follow of left hand side, that is yes. Okay, and so that is dollar symbol. So we have added that. So this is how we have to calculate first and follow. Please remember this rules, very simple. Okay, so when you are trying to find first of x, if first of x is a terminal, add it. Similarly, first of x is an epsilon, you add it. But if it is a non-terminal, in that case find out the first of that non-terminal and then add. Similarly for terminal, okay, if the follow is a similarly for follow, if the follow is a terminal, you can simply add it, and if it is a non-terminal, then follow is equal to first of that particular non-terminal and no symbol after that non-terminal. In that case it is equal to follow is equal to follow of LHS. Okay, so thank you.